Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create and save custom presets on GoPro Mission 1 camera. To do that, we have to swipe to the right on the main camera interface and tap Manage Modes at the top. Then we have to tap the plus icon in the top right corner, and then we have to select the New Modes icon on the left side and the custom name for the mode on the right side. We can either select one of the preset ones, or we can also enter the custom name right here. Then tap OK, choose which mode it will be, and then the sub mode on the right side. Then tap OK, then adjust the aspect ratio, the resolution and the frame rate for it. Adjust the capture settings, the image settings, the audio settings and the shortcuts for this mode. And then once you're ready, tap OK. And here we have it. The new mode is created. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.